Lunges, lunges.
They've done what? Oh my god, I don't want to use my hands! Yes!
Squat like that.
Alright, oh, where's that? Oh, yes! The door! Wait, yes!
47 seconds and 60 milliseconds.
Dog! Movement. Oh no!
Oh, I nearly got it!
Oh
I nearly got it!
Come on, what have you done? Yes, come on! Come on!
Oh, but I need to do this.
No, quick! This is a challenge!
Can I just say I moved your feet?
What happened? No, you attacked.
Okay, that's as best as it's gonna get.
Yeah? Woo!
What was it?
160.
Get spelled.
Hi, I'm Anna Collingwood.
And I'm Sophie Garrett.
And this is our, wait, what is it?
I guess I spoken challenge.
I was going to say after 8. So, 3 kind of challenge. Okay, music's coming.
3,
2, 1, go.
What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. You got my head spinning, no kidding. I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning, 'cause I give you all of me.
And you give me all of you. Oh.
Come on!
How many times do I have to tell you? Even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. The world is beating you down. I'm around through every mood. You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing, it's ringing in my head for you. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning.
Of me, and you give me all.
I got 2 minutes and 5 seconds.
Yeah, this is embarrassing. I got 4 minutes and 5 seconds.
1-1.
Yes! Excuse me, I beat you on the other
Yeah,
one.
1-1.
Oh, 1. Well, after 8 challenge is my special. Go. Hi, I'm Anna Collingwood, and this is my after 8 challenge. go. No, oh, for Christ's sake! I failed.
Hi, I'm Stacey Garrett, and this is my After 8 challenge.
3, 2, 1, go!